Model, 66-plate Mercedes Sprinter 314 CDI long wheelbase, none runner spares OR repairs Euro 6 ULEZ. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 156,415. Engine, 2,143 CCOM 651,140 HP Mi2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. The timing chain had jumped, clutch pedal on floor, the alternator and starter motor are missing. Everything else looks like it's there. Front end has also been damaged, spares or repairs. Condition summary, bodywork is quite rough. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is below average. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.